For us, mathematics is a language for the reason that language is a means of communication with the use of sounds or symbols. And mathematics satisfies these characteristics. Mathematics is a means of communication with the use of numbers, symbols, or even equation. Mathematics also involves basic grammar and vocabulary. By definition, mathematics is a study of numbers, patterns, and even problem solving. It is not about memorization, but it is about understanding and primarily reasoning. With mathematics, it helps us think analytically and work more on being rational, which really helps in looking for solutions to certain problems. With having said that, these mathematical skills will not only be applicable in a mathematical settings, but also it hones you into a very analytical person in the real world.
Each and every one of us experiences different problems from time to time, and in every problem, we face it with our own decisions and solutions. The two topics that are commonly known to mathematics, which are logical thinking and reasoning, are two important aspects in dealing with real-life problems. It helps us think rationally, which means that this serves as our ability to analyze a situation or problem and come up with the best possible solution. By enhancing our reasoning skills, it allows us to reason through important decisions. Therefore, it can also help us to make decisions effectively and efficiently. After graduating from college, my aim is to be more independent. After learning about the lessons in consumer mathematics, I was encouraged to try to invest in different investments such as stocks and bonds. Not only that, I would also want to apply what I have learned specifically in managing my own finances by estimating monthly budgets. After studying different mathematical areas such as reasoning, consumer mathematics, game theory, transportation, and others, I can say that all of these can be applied in real-life decision-making processes, and that's what makes mathematics so useful. Let me just give you a specific example. For instance, when doing a business, a lot of decisions are supposed to be done. We can use mathematics in several ways, from deciding the strategy or business plan to deciding the fair cost of the product or service so that it can generate a fair amount of profit, to deciding on how to split the tasks among the employers to get the maximum work done. In short, mathematics could be the foundation of decision making.
Social choice theory looks at process and conflicting choices that contribute to a group's overall decision. In other words, these are collective responses, preferences, and opinions in order to arrive at a socially acceptable solution. And there are times wherein the final decision is not in line with everyone's, but of the majority in most cases. So, applying this theory to tackling social issues is either beneficial or detrimental. However, this theory allows us to have a better understanding of human behavior and thought, which eventually leads to more chances at making better decisions and tackling social problems to bring about necessary changes. Game theory is a flexible tool in analyzing decisions and in formulating certain strategies. In mathematics, game theory is relevant because it essentially is finding one's optimal strategy through a series of careful decision making and predicting the response of another player of the game. Moreover, it allows for a more critical and open-minded approach towards any given problem to be able to extract the best possible solution and strategy for not only oneself but for all the players in the game in some cases. Mathematics is a very versatile language. From calculating simple equations to investment plans and decision making, mathematics proves to be very relevant and useful in any age. Majority of the technological advancements are globally possible because of mathematics, and in turn, math is further appreciated because of its great contribution to the digital age. Furthermore, mathematics is also a very credible form of validation and basis in identifying real results from fake ones. An example of this will be statistical data such as graphs, numerical tables, and the like, because information can be easily manipulated in this digital age, which is why solid data by the numbers is very useful and important in proving the credibility of majority of the information found online.
As liberal arts students, mathematics still has an importance in our field. It enables one to think critically as problems would arise wherein we would have to analyze numerous situations and think of the best solutions to overcome such problems. Moreover, mathematics is something everyone uses on a normal basis, and it enables one to be smart in life as we needed to tell time, to measure and analyze things, and to handle our own finances.
We think that the concepts discussed in this course are really essential in our lives. It's not only learning the concepts of the lessons, but also applying it in your life. We have encountered difficult topics, but we treated it as a challenge to learn it even more. We wanted to understand the topics because we know that this will benefit our lives in general. Now, we can say that our journey for this course is stimulating, fun-filled, and purposeful.